Are you ready to engage and assess your students in a fun and interactive way? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with Educaplay and create your very first questionnaire.
Nice.
Step 1. Sign up for an Educaplay account. It's free and easy. Step 2. Choose the questionnaire option from the menu and select the type of questions you want to include. Multiple choice, fill in the blanks, or matching, the choice is yours. Step 3. Add questions and answer options. Don't forget to make them clear and concise. Step 4. Customize the layout and theme of your questionnaire to fit your own unique style. Step 5. Enhance your questionnaire by incorporating multimedia elements like images, audio, and video. Step 6. Set scoring and feedback options to make your questionnaire interactive and informative.
Guys, this is important.
Step
Let's
7.
check it out.
Share and publish your questionnaire to engage your students and gather their responses.